you're black, but you're a nigger. Don't even think about talking. I'll kick your ass! Shut up! I'll fucking kick your ass! No, not out! Ass! Oh my god, you don't learn, you fucking queer! Shut your fucking mouth! I'll kill you! God, if you don't shut the fuck up right now, I'm gonna come to your house and I'm gonna shove my dick up your vagina! Shut up! Fucking pound your head with my fucking dick! Oh my god, this kid wants his fucking ass kicked! I don't want to be on your shit, you little fuck! I'll kick the shit out of
you! What's he saying?
You honestly don't shut up! Right? Shut up!
Oh my god. What's he saying?
Shut up! I'll murder your nigger family!
I know you are.
Nigger, you didn't take it! Shut up! Ah, he left! Victory. Fucking stupid. Ooh,